हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ एक सम फ्रॉम द चैप्टर डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन। ठीक है, दिस इज फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 10A। ओके, उसमें से एक सम है जिसमें डिस्टेंस और टाइम में रिलेशन एस्टेब्लिश किया गया है। ठीक है, उसी से रिलेटेड 10A एक्सरसाइज का 10th सम मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ। ओके, फर्स्ट सी व्हेन two variables will be in direct variation। ठीक है, अगर एक वेरिएबल में इंक्रीज आने से दूसरे वेरिएबल में भी इंक्रीज आता है और एक वेरिएबल में डिक्रीज आने से दूसरे वेरिएबल में भी डिक्रीज आता है, तो हम बोलेंगे दोनों वेरिएबल में डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन है। और यू कैन से दैट बोथ वेरिएबल्स आर वेरिंग directly। Okay, in this sum our train is moving with the uniform speed of 120 km per hour। Okay, so how far will it travel in 36 minutes? ठीक है, किन दो वेरिएबल्स के बारे में बात हो रही है? हाउ फार मीन्स डिस्टेंस। ठीक है, डिस्टेंस, हाउ फार मीन्स दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस्टेंस। ठीक है, हाउ फार विल इट कवर इन 36 मिनट्स। ओके, मीन्स ये डिस्टेंस और टाइम में रिलेशन है। ओके, डिस्टेंस और टाइम में रिलेशन है। ओके, सो अगर डिस्टेंस ज्यादा है तो वहां पे पहुंचने के लिए टाइम भी ज्यादा लगेगा। अगर डिस्टेंस कम है, ठीक है, देन वहां पहुंचने के लिए टाइम भी कम लगेगा। डिस्टेंस ज्यादा है तो टाइम ज्यादा लगना है, डिस्टेंस कम है तो टाइम भी कम लगना है। मीन्स डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम आर वेरिंग डायरेक्टली, मीन्स में डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन है। ओके, सो हेयर पर आर हेयर मिनट्स। ओके, so we will convert the minutes, we will convert the hours into minutes. You can change the minutes into hours also. Okay, when you will try to change the minutes into hours, you will have a fractional value. Okay, so to avoid the fractional value, you can convert the hour, 1 hour into minutes. Okay, so 1 hour means 60 minutes na? Okay, so because distance, first see the table, in the table we will represent distance in kilometers. Okay, distance in kilometer and time in minutes. Okay, so a train is moving with uniform speed of 120 kilometer per hour. What does this mean? Means एक घंटे में, ठीक है, ट्रेन 120 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर लेगी। ठीक है, 1 आवर में वो 120 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी। 1 आवर मीन्स 60 मिनट्स। 60 मिनट्स में वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी? 120 का। ओके, हाउ फार विल इट ट्रेवल इन 36 मिनट्स? 36 मिनट्स, ठीक है, इन 36 मिनट हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल बी कवर्ड बाय द ट्रेन? Okay, now here you will write, because distance and time are varying directly. Okay, when the distance will be more, time taken by the train to reach at that place will be more. Okay, so if their time is less na, so you will see distance covered by the train also will be less than 120. Okay, so we know that in direct variation, how we write the values of the variables? For this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. Okay, we write the variables as x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. Okay, that means 120 upon 60 is equal to x upon 36. Okay, 60 to the 120. Okay, here is 36 means 2 is equal to x upon 36. Shift this to the other side. Okay, means x is equal to 2 into 36 means x is equal to 72. Okay, 72 kilometer means in 36 seconds train will cover 72 kilometer of the distance. Okay, so when the distance is less, time taken by the train to reach at that place will be less. Okay, so direct variation is there. This is the first part. Hope the first part is clear to you. Okay, now see the second. In how much time will it cover 210 kilometer? Okay, earlier 120 kilometer distance was traveled in the given information. Now the distance is increased. Obviously the time taken by a train to reach at that place which is 210 kilometer away, that will be more. Okay, see the second part. So here for the second part, show the table again. Distance in kilometers, time in minutes. We are calculating the time in minutes. Okay, when the distance 120 distance is covered in 60 minutes. Okay, we need to find our time. In how much time? Okay, suppose this is t. Our time. Suppose in 3 minutes, okay, train is covering 210 kilometers of the distance. Okay, so here again, because distance and time are varying directly. Okay, directly, then what would happen? This is x1, x2, this will work like y1, y2. Okay, what would be the relation? X upon x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. That means 220 upon 60 is equal to 210 upon t. Okay, this is 2 that means 2 is equal to t upon 210. Okay, sorry, here is 210 by t by mistake. Okay, 2 is equal to 210 by t, 210 by t. Shift this to the other side, cross multiplication. We need the value of t na? Shift 2 to the other side. After dividing it by 2, you will have 105. Means t is equal to 105. Time we have taken in minutes. 105 minutes. If you want to convert it into hours, how will you do? Divide it by 60. Okay, 61 the 60, the remainder will be 45. Okay, means 1 hours 45 minutes. Means t is equal to 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, hope the second part is also clear to you. So in the next exercise is related to the inverse variation. That exercise I have already solved there. By reading the statement, by understanding the statement carefully, you will come to know whether this sum is related to the direct variation or indirect variation. According to that, you will apply the results to get the required information. Okay, thanks for watching the video.